Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making zucchini sticks. Yay! They're going to be crispy, no oil, super easy. I've got two large organic zucchinis that I'm going to slice up. I've got a little batter here of just flour and soy milk and some gluten-free panko breadcrumbs, which I'm going to season up, and I'll show you how I do that. But first I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss a single episode of my kitchen shenanigans, and that would be twice a week. I like to post a video, so just hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. And I know I've got the COVID, my bangs are so long, it's getting ridiculous, so hopefully this will be over soon and I can see again. So anyway, let's get started on making these zucchini sticks. So I like to cut my zucchini into something that resembles a French fry. So we'll see here. So they look about like that. So I'm just going to continue slicing up my zucchini here. So I've got my panko breadcrumbs in here. I'm going to season them up with a little Italian seasoning. Some onion powder. Ooh, a little heavy on that. Some pink salt. Couple pinches of that, and some granulated garlic. Give it a little stir here. And then I've got my batter, which I said was about 1 cup of, I'm using cassava flour here. Any gluten-free flour is fine, or if you don't have a problem with gluten, any flour. And then a cup to a cup and a half of plant milk, and I use soy milk on this. So what you do is you just take your beautiful little zucchini stick and you get it in the batter. You want to shake off the excess and then put that in the breadcrumbs thusly and onto your baking sheet. And I like to use one hand for wet, one for dry. So I use this hand for my batter. It makes it a little less messy. And then you've got this hand for the dry. All right. So I'm just going to continue breading these and putting them on the baking sheet. And here they are, delicious looking zucchini fries. So I'm going to pop these in the oven, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. I may flip them after 20. I'm going to check them and see. So we'll see you back in a little bit and we'll give them a taste. Here we have a beautiful bowl of our zucchini fries. I just have some ketchup here. You could use marinara sauce, some kind of a mustard sauce, ranch, whatever you would like. But I'm just going to do plain old ketchup. Super crispy. Oh, let's see if we can hear the crunch. Oh. You know, there's nothing like those panko breadcrumbs. They are so good. They make everything so crispy. I use these on onion rings. Super, super easy. And the gluten-free ones are so, so good. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. And if you're interested in this vegan do-it shirt, you can go to my Etsy store at Chew on Vegan and get one for yourself. Until next time, thank you.